Good morning, guys. So, something crazy happened yesterday. I have some of the best friends on the planet. As some of you know, my car got broken into like 4 months ago, and all of my film equipment was stolen, and a laptop and a bunch of stuff that I've been trying to replace over time. I bought this GH5 as a replacement, but I used to have a Mavic Pro that I have yet to replace. It's kind of been like the last thing on my list. Not the last thing, but I've been holding off on it. But yesterday I get a mystery package in the mail, and when I open it up, I find this. This is the new Mavic Air. It just came out like a week ago. I actually watched the press release while I was at work with my buddy at work, Sean, when they announced this whole thing and explained all the features of it, and it is supposed to be unbelievable. And I was actually planning on buying one of these myself right before I go to Costa Rica in March, but my friends aren't letting me do that. They apparently 30 of them came together, all pitched in together to buy this thing for me. Kush, one of my best friends, Kush from work, he came up with the idea and then reached out to all my buddies, and they then spread the word, and yeah, just within a couple hours got all the money they needed to get this thing to me, and I'm absolutely blown away. Not by like the amount of money or like the fact that I have a drone now, but that my friends have always been so supportive of everything I've ever wanted to do. Even back in college when I started my production company and made a TV show and all this kind of stuff, they were always 100% behind me. Every conversation I ever had with them, they were always super pumped about every idea I ever had. Anytime I needed funds or anything, they would buy. I used to make these t-shirts, these exposure t-shirts for my production company. I swear I sold over 100 of those shirts, and all of my friends on campus had one of those shirts. And they did it just because they believed in me, and they've always wanted to see me succeed and do what I love to do, which is making these videos and being creative and being an entrepreneur. And they never let me forget that they're behind me and they want me to do what makes me happy. And here they just did it again. Even though I haven't seen them in almost 2 years now, since we left college, I haven't seen a lot of them, and we haven't kept in touch. I'm also terrible at keeping in touch with people. They still believe in me 100%, and when they heard about what happened to me, without a blink of an eye, they all came together to get this for me. So thank you guys, all my friends out there. I hope you see this. I'm gonna put this little thing to work, hopefully starting today, and I've got tons of video ideas that I've been wanting to get done, but now I feel obligated. Now for you guys, I'm gonna make sure I get all this stuff out and get your money's worth of video footage and content online. So I'm gonna pack this thing up. I'm gonna fit it in my camera bag, go to work, take all my equipment with me to work, and hopefully sneak out a little bit early or something to go test fly this thing and get some footage. So I'm gonna go pack up the bag. Here we go.
made a diamond in it. You're not the only woman in my phone. I'll be up late chatting, interacting with all bad bitches and these other people. Oh, I'm sorry.
Never leaving my equipment in the car again.
Right, the ones honestly in the retail store are gonna be
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
All set, all right?
Thanks a lot, man. Have a good day.
Thanks.
Dreams of a better life. This time we ain't making it through. If you love me, baby, let me hear you say it. I know I'm your favorite.
Wow. Wow. This is awesome. Alright, the sun is setting really fast, so we have to get this thing in the air like yesterday.